So let's begin with the base. So you need to have a look over the drawing, understand it, and then we can make it. Possibly try to make each of the part by hand on your sketchbook. That will really improve your knowledge, that will improve your understanding over the drawing, and it will also improve the visualization of the part after seeing the drawing. Okay, so it is always recommended make hand sketches and then you can use the software. It is very easy to use software once you understand the drawing and you are able to imagine the part. Okay, so let's begin with this part, that is the base. Let's open Catia, click on start, go to mechanical design, part design, select a plane. We will select here YZ plane, click on sketch, and then we have a base plate, thickness is 5 mm. So we will make a rectangle of 115 mm by 5 mm. So let's select the rectangle, give the dimension 115 mm, 115, and here we have 5 mm. Okay, let's come out of the workbench, click on pad, and we will reverse the direction, and we want it to be 40 mm. Okay, so 40 mm, preview, click OK. So we have a base plate here and we have to put this holes here now. So we can do it by two options. Either we can use the hole feature here, or we can create a circle on the surface and we can create a hole. So we will go by selecting this face, click on sketch, and we will create circle. Four circles. Let's give dimension to it, and we want it to be 5 mm in diameter. Let's make it 5 mm. Now let's give position to it. So we have each hole 10 mm from this horizontal edge and 25 mm from the vertical edge. So let's give the dimension. Click on this edge and click on this. Let's make it 10 mm. Similarly, from here to this edge it is 25 mm. So let's make it 25 mm. Let's repeat the same thing to all the circles. Let's exit the workbench and click on pocket, up to next, preview. Okay, so we have a base plate here and this is what we have created. Okay, let's save it, Control S. Let's rename it as base. Okay, save.